What's up, guys? So I'm doing a quick video on lowering Nick's future Civic. Nick is also helping me out, and if you guys don't remember Nick, he's in one of my first videos, so don't forget to go check that out. Let's get to it. Alright, check it out. We got some KYB shocks. Hookup from my uncle Vaughn for some ground control coilovers. We lowering this. Here the tools we're using: 17, 14, 12, 17 wrench, ratchet. I'm gonna use these for that. Hurry up, man. Nick, that's what I was telling you about. Look at the side skirt. It's popped out, bro. Oh, careful. Starting to look good. Time to do the back. Alright, Nick and I are heading for dinner, I guess? Dinner. We're going to dinner. Alright, check this out. We're at Noodle Shop. I got the 1010 spicy. What'd you get, Nick?
Spicy miso.
Spicy miso. That actually looks really good, man. Heck yeah. right, so we just got done. So what did you think of that, Nick?
It was very different indeed. It had like every time I took a sip of that broth, it was kind of like a weird aftertaste, a little bit, kind of like something was sticking at the roof of your mouth. Kind of.
I'm not gonna lie, I actually like Nick's a lot better than mine, but I'm not gonna get mine again. It was okay. I'm full, but I'd rather have pho.
Yeah, I'm definitely full too.
Yeah.
Well, all I'm gonna say this is if I'm hungry in about an hour, if I'm not hungry in about an hour, then that was good. Because usually when I eat pho, in about an hour, I'm hungry again.
All right. Well, time to head back. Catch you guys later.